Go, Alex.
Go, run.
Easy. Wait. Okay, go everybody rip. Go. Turn the light on. Turn the light on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, it's mine.
Let me see, watch.
Damn, here's my stuff.
Alex, what'd you get? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got squishy.
It's just for you here, Turner.
That one?
Which way?
This one mine?
Put them there beside the stockings.
This one mine? They mine?
Ah, it must be, yeah. The dark blue.
I'm opening this because I think this is like. Can we open?
Ah,
Can I open?
right, wait a bit, see.
Can I go first? Because I'm here. No. Because you go like that.
These can all open together, go.
Can I open mine?
Yeah.
Look at that. I got makeup palette.
Did you get makeup, Julie? What'd you get, Charlie? Airman cup?
I got some concealer and highlighter.
Oh, what's that, Alex?
You get another one of them. Here's another one. I got
Headphones? Oh my god.
my left I got concealer and highlighter.
Yeah? Oh my god, Julie.
I'm opening it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, let's see.
Go.
Yes! Yo!
What'd you
I got
get?
some earrings.
Who's that, Charlie?
Shazam!
What'd you get, Corey?
Can I open mine now? Look what I got! Can I open mine now? You got the wee baby. It's still mine, isn't it? All this?
Alex, what'd you get?
Santa got one. You got the new Avenger game?
Let's see.
I wish I got it.
Wow.
Give me your rubbish. I didn't get rubbish. I got a box. Here, Daddy. Here's the rubbish. All rubbish.
What is it?
Here,
AirPods?
this is mine.
It's a scooter?
Shazam and Scooby
It's a scooter?
Look.
Wait, it'll fall on top of you.
I got these.
Oh.
What is this? What Batman character? What?
What'd you get, Corey? Jumanji?
I got this. Yo, a Batman character.
Wow.
No, can you give me this?
Did you?
Santa, give me
Santa must have heard you. Daddy, he asked Dodo for that. Santa must have heard him. Heard her? What one?
The charm for my bracelet and it has a heart on it.
What is it?
It has a heart on it and it's a charm for my bracelet.
Ah,
Is that? Here, Daddy. Where is my bracelet?
some money in bags in the kitchen.
I'm being
Right,
nice.
pick it up.
Yes, I don't know what this is, so I'm opening it. I see it!
What is it?
Fluffy pets.
Alex? Alex Catchman dollies for prom? What'd you get, Charlie? Fortnite, awesome.
Here, big characters. They got Monopoly. I'm just putting mine like all over here. Someone put that in.
1, 2, 3, go.
I need to whip it. I didn't whip it.
What?
Look what I got. Look what I got. Yes.
Wow, what did you get?
What is this?
Super Littles. What'd you get? Wee Mura?
Yeah, for my phone. Look what I got.
Ah, golly, that's lovely.
For my phone.
What was it for your phone?
Yeah, it was on the back of your foot. I'm on character.
Wow.
I keep getting captured because I want
Wait, Alex, wait, be free, go.
Lucky Stars, yeah! I got Lucky Stars!
Did you get trolls?
Lucky! Wait, what's his name? What is his name?
Wow. Yeah. No, but- Right, wait a wee second.
It's not. It's
No,
not.
it's a teddy.
Give the rubbish to Daddy.
Put his head on. How's it a teddy?
Everybody go.
Oh, it's
Star Wars.
Avengers.
What?
It's gold!
And body wash.
Ooh.
That baby Yoda sock.
Wait,
In a
this
wee
is
bag.
great.
Yeah.
Baby Yoda sock.
I went to the shop with Mummy and she's seen that.
What?
Remember the socks of Baby Yoda? Yeah. Mummy! Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
I got.
I got pets. Oh, Mummy.
Oh my God, Alex, what did you get?
That is Corey's.
Wait.
Mummy.
Alex, what did you get?
Mummy. Mummy. Mummy.
Alex!
She got a Nintendo
Mummy,
Switch Lite.
she got a Nintendo Switch.
Alex, oh my God.
Alex,
Did
that's
you get
like
more?
a game. That's like a phone, but different. You're lucky, person.
Oh my God, Alex.
You got the Lego game as well.
Santa must have thought you were so good.
Please tell me to move. Corey wants.
Oh, maybe it was then, Corey.
Because there was two in my
Maybe it was then.
Then we look what I got. Maybe you put
Wow.
a big LL.
Hot shoes.
No, no way.
Oh, a big heart set. Oh, Corey, they're gorgeous.
Let's go a bit with Pennywise.
Let's see.
In that video.
Open it up and look at it. Oh, they're lovely.
Oh my God.
Daddy, look what he got.
So may I open Daddy's present? Look what I got. Daddy's present. Pennywise.
Where's your present?
Look what I got. So creepy. Look what I got.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Why'd you give me that? Give me
This
this
was on there, sitting there.
Santa's
Oh my
the
God, that's
best.
lovely.
Santa's the best.
Oh, Charlie, that's a cracker. Do you like it, Corey?
I love it.
Right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that's lovely.
Look at this. Seriously. Look what I got.
Wow.
Remember that?
Did you get teapot?
Yeah.
Oh, Corey, did you get any slippers?
I got a Colin
Very nice.
and
Wow. Crayola.
I was wondering what that is. Now I do. Yeah. What it is. It's Scooby-Dooby-Doo. We're used characters. Wait, but I got
Annie
more.
does, Judy, Judy.
Yes! Is it a hoodie?
Oh, laser guns, Corey.
I got
Shoots lasers on. Wow.
I didn't get that. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Oh, that's cool, Charlie. That's like the new. It's the Scoop we watched a couple weeks ago. Remember?
But we still baby.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. I've got so much clothes.
3, go. Did you get the globe? Oh, it's lovely.
I got a globe. I want to try
What's that, Charlie?
Look at this.
That might be Alex's.
What is this? No, it's not.
It is.
What is
the case.
it? Mummy.
Give us it. Give me. It's for Alex.
It's a case for a Nintendo Switch. That wasn't even mine.
No, it's getting mixed up because they're blue papers. Oh, that's lovely.
I love it.
Huh?
It's time for the sunlight.
Oh, easy, easy.
Here.
Go.
Pour this
What's a save?
in.
What's it say?
Hey, you wanted to take the Switch?
Did you get one? Oh my God.
Yes. Mummy, look.
Oh my God, Charlie.
I wanted one in my life.
Here, look. That must be yours, Ian.
Mummy, look.
Well, let me see.
Beautiful.
Barbie. Mummy, look. I think you should
I
put
got
Look.
my other game.
Alex, Charlie got one. You two can play together.
I know you
Can I
should
have
play
them?
on look.
Oh, Jody, need to move over a wee bit.
Yes. Yes.
Yo! The thing I asked for. I got
Oh my God.
real set.
Oh, God.
I got Slime and Foam and Slime and Foam.
Oh my God. What'd you get, Corey?
What? I got a Hot Wheels
Spider-Man?
set. I got Slime.
Wow.
Wheel set.
Right,
I got Slime.
free go.
What is this? Oh, I got a puppet. Ah! You're gonna buy the slime.
What? Oh, Corey. Lovely Hugo Boss set. Make sure you hide that from your daddy. Open them and see them. Oh, that's a golden coin maker, Charlie. So you can make your own chocolate golden coins. Let me see, Alex.
Look at them.
Oh, Corey, look at her new shoes.
Oh, they're nice. Oh my, I'm so happy right now.
There you go.
You got a ring light. A unicorn. A unicorn.
What'd you get? Leslie?
A unicorn.
Yeah.
I got a ring light.
Did you get your Spider-Man, Charlie?
Unicorn.
What'd you get, Corey? Oreos? Wow. You get a unicorn?
Yeah, I got a ring light.
A new coat. That's my new coat.
Did you new coat? Charlie, what'd you get? Your ice coat? LOL head?
I don't
Oh
know.
my god, Charlie, that's amazing.
I got this guy, Thanos, and Hulk, and
Typewriter.
Mama. And there's
Here you go.
more Scooby-Doo. Let's go.
What'd you get, Charlie?
More Scooby-Doo and a poo.
10-inch tablet. What?
I got more Scooby-Doo. I got his tablet. Oh my god.
Woo! Alex, what'd you get?
Mommy, I got more.
Did you get more? Oh my god, you're gonna have the full collection, Charlie.
Yeah, I know. I'm not.
Daddy, look what she got.
Is this a new one? Wait, here. Oh.
Papers to Daddy.
Oh my god, I got a tablet. I can download TikTok and Roblox here and all different games on it.
Go.
What is it?
What is this?
Playmobil. Playmobil. Go work. Playmobil.
What is
Shopkins! Where's your Playmobil set, Charlie?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's massive.
Oh.
Did you get a Shopkin bus?
I got it.
It shows you on the tag, doesn't it? Look at that.
Okay, I need to put the sword away.
You got a new gaming
I
headset.
got it.
And gum. I don't
Huh?
think there should be chocolate on the ground.
Ice cream store.
Charlie, I bought you.
Oh, thank you.
I was
Can you open it? I want to have iron. I got
No.
a ice cream store.
You wanted one of those?
I got a lava lamp.
There for your walls to light up.
I got a lava lamp.
Did you get a lava lamp for your room?
You got a lamp for a room?
Yes, you put them on your wall and they light up.
Or is it not for the head?
No, it's not for your head.
I got a puppet, Alex, look. I know what the pizza's like. Oh, it's not for these. I got Lego bricks.
Lego friends?
Okay.
Mommy, look.
Play-Doh Peppa
Okay,
Pig?
everyone knows it. I got Lego bricks to close shop. And I got Andre and Emma. So
Thanks.
Oh!
You hid all in from your daddy, Corey?
And I got Andre
Yeah,
and
that's
Emma.
a new scooter. Oh my god.
I got Andrea.
Here you go.
A big sugar character.
Oh, that's
I'm gonna have a sugar.
what happens when you leave the wrapping paper out to be wrapped. That's yours, Charlie.
People, look. I gotta have a sugar
That's
rush.
another one.
There you go.
More Scooby-Doo's, okay? I have more Scooby-Doo's.
Chess.
Cheese.
More?
Yeah, more. May I love this?
I thought
Oh my
that
god,
was
Judy.
cheese.
It's a big Barbie what? Limo.
I got cheese.
Did you get more Barbies?
It's a short and then
You and Judy can play together. She got loads of Barbies too, Judy.
we can play together. Give me your paper. And that one's a big one, so I wouldn't open the big one then. Yeah.
Go.
Is this
More
one
shoes.
Oh, what did you get? A draft, Judy? What did you get? A koala? What?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, more Barbies. Oh, Charlie, more goodies. They're gorgeous. Wow.
Oh my god.
A pet fet.
No. Ow.
Here you go.
Yes, the Fortnite characters are one of the tiny ones.
No, that was a black one. That's a different one.
Was it?
Yep. Let's see, Charlie. Fortnite. That's a colourful doggy, Alex.
Is this a girl?
You build it yourself.
Wow.
Is this a girl or a boy?
It's a boy.
I keep sneezing. I got a boy dog. Do you build it?
Look, that's the skin, and then you put all that stuff in inside. That was your top thing on your list.
Colourful doggy, Alex.
Judy, we'll help you do that later. Woohoo!
Oh, you got
2, 3, go.
this has to be Nintendo games.
What's this?
Hopefully. So I have more games. Not this way.
For your dolls, Judy.
Oh, what do you got? Lego! Look! We got another one!
Yeah.
It is Nintendo Switch games. Lego!
Lego friends.
Lego!
Oh, did you get more games? And after there's a screen protector, is
We
it?
got Lego. Did she get the same one as me? No?
No.
That's good.
Oh, that's like a history set, Corey.
Here.
That's good, isn't it?
Can you pass me the one behind you?
Oh.
It has to be a box of So, the joy. See it is Amazon.
Oh my god, look at that.
Yes, that's another one I got you, Charlie.
Charlie.
No! No! Captain America's shield! Captain America's shield!
Paul, help her, look.
Sorry.
Wait, Charlie, stand in front. You just, no, it's going to go into the tree.
This is the one I wanted! I got milk cheese!
You got
So
pink
that
cheese?
is what I just said. I got pink cheese!
Wow. For your Nintendo Switch.
No.
Here you go.
I got a teddy, I think. No, I got even better. A puzzle.
Did you get puzzles? Oh my god.
The Scooby-Doo truck.
Herbie, Judy. Wow, you've got the whole set, Charlie.
Yeah, even the car.
Yeah. Watch, she'll be setting it up for her. Bring some stuff over here. Oh my goodness.
Then
Everybody has to.
Charlie, Stranger Things, ready?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
can I have another one? No.
Another tractor.
Oh my god, Claire, getting away. Ooh, more earphones.
Yes! I love these!
Oh, Charlie, what'd you get?
The Roblox superhero set.
Wow.
Look what I got. I got the slippers I won.
These are
Look what I got.
1, 2, 3, go.
Everyone go. Pizza! Is this the one that Eva got Emer for her birthday? No way. And I love that.
What'd you get?
Everyone!
What is it, Corey?
Virtual controller.
Oh. Did you get another one?
Yeah, another one of this.
Batman. That's the one you picked on your list, Corey. Charlie.
Another one of this. May I have another one
Yeah.
of this?
I got these from my controller.
Here you go.
Fortnite slippers!
Woohoo!
This is the coat I really liked when I seen it in the shop.
PlayStation
Remember?
lights? Yeah, Judy.
I love the slippers. When I got it. Judy, I got these slippers. They're so nice. The tiny Fortnite set is cool.
Yeah. Here you go.
Wait, this might be Judy's. I got the Roblox dummy set!
Woohoo!
Look, Alex! Look, Alex!
Corey, that charges your controller without the wire.
That's sick.
And then you put your games in as well. More,
Oh
Charlie?
my god. Look, oh my god, guys.
This is sick.
Oh, Judy, let's see.
I can't remember what I said.
Let's see, Judy.
People.
Let me see. Oh.
What did you get? I got like these.
You got me.
I got a pet.
Did you get a nail wheel?
Where's last one? Is that my last one?
No, there's a couple there.
That's okay. No, leg is not flat. Like that.
Oh, jelly beans! Jelly beans.
I got Ant-Man. Look, I got metallic colors.
Another unicorn, Alex. That's lovely.
I got metallic colors in there. Look.
I get jelly beans.
Ant-Man, Charlie.
Yeah, I'm on a character.
Right, Judy, go. Just open that other one.
I'm stacked with characters no matter what. I got a unicorn.
Wow.
While you were finished,
Oh More?
We have the unicorn. We have to open it.
No, that was just the gallery one.
I got the unicorn.
Did you get a unicorn? It's lovely.
Can I have...
What is it, Alex?
Look at this.
Oh, Alex got Playmobil, Charlie.
I got this. Okay. I got this. Ew, who is this? I got this.
Oh, Corey, do you know what they are? They're amazing.
I got stationary cat. I
Wow.
don't know who this is.
Go.
Oh.
Daddy will find it.
Remember, I want the this. Oh, they're so cute.
More, Corey?
I wanted this a long time ago. Like the long
Who's that? Spider-Man?
Let's go.
Spider-Man.
Freaking Stranger Things shirt.
I'm so happy, guys. Yes. I have one more character, and then I'm big on to the big boy. That's his house. I put them together. I got some lessons.
You want a champion shirt?
Wow.
Put them in the Miranda, no.
There you go.
I'm standing up doing this for some reason. Let's see who I got.
What?
Who I got.
You didn't get the treehouse? What is it, Corey?
God's the kid.
Turn it right round.
Captain America. Oh, there's a boy. I got Captain America.
Mini Fred.
There's a boy in the guard.
Mini Fred.
I got
Huh?
my guard. I got Captain America. What did he get a friend?
You got a mini fridge for his room?
Mini Fred.
Yeah.
Oh,
Be careful with that. It's a proper fridge.
oh my.
What?
I got Captain
Okay.
America.
You've got them all, Charlie.
I'm opening this one now. Not all.
Whack away.
Here. Just open them first.
Just whack away.
More monkey doodles.
Woo!
Thank you.
Right. Hold on a wee minute, Charlie. Easy. This is your surprise.
I think I know what it is. I don't know what it is. You don't know.
Quickly, Corey, quickly.
Alright, it's a box.
Shh, 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 shh.
Shut up.
Easy when you open it.
I feel so.
Why?
Just be easy.
It's so good.
Something's going to pop out. Am I joking?
It's gotta be a
Right, shh,
snake.
shh, 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 shh. Easy.
Be easy, why?
No, something's going to pop out. I see it.
Shut up.
No, not from Papa. Did you get a new phone?
Open it.
You got a new phone.
Oh my god.
What is it?
A new phone.
What is it?
I don't know. It's an iPhone.
It's an iPhone 12, Corey.
Oh my god!
Corey, it's a new iPhone
He's gonna cry.
12. Do you like it?
Oh my god, Corey! Can I keep Corey?
Bless you.
Old phone?
Do you like it, son? Look at that for a whopper. Look at the colour of it and everything.
We've got iPhones.
Watch the screen now. Well, do you like it?
Yeah.
You were way too sport this year, weren't you?
I got a poison.
Do you like it?
Look. Bath maker thing.
Bath ball maker.
Oh my god, I got a few. There's one here.
The one there. Oh, that's the red hoodie.
It is.
The red Adidas hoodie.